unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To quickly fix iPhone Bluetooth pairing issues, first turn Bluetooth off and on again. If that doesn't help, restart your iPhone to clear glitches. Next, forget the Bluetooth device by going to Settings, tapping the info icon next to the device, and selecting Forget this device. Then, try pairing again. If issues continue, reset network settings under Settings, General, Reset. This usually fixes stubborn connection problems fast.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.